Hey guys, Justin here from Simplified Investing. I hope you guys are all having a great weekend. In this video, what I really wanted to cover was our weekly watch list coming into this week, as well as giving you guys a few key important market updates. With that being said, before I get started, if you are interested in checking out our private team to get our daily alerts course and more, feel free to check out simplified-investing.com. We would love to have you guys on board. And also with that being said, if you could like and subscribe to the channel, it would also be greatly appreciated. So for those of you who have watched these videos before, really what I like to do is break down the market. Where can we expect the market indexes to head in the coming week? And what am I seeing personally? So last week, we got this gap up here. We get this move here from 11-2. Actually, this is on the weekly. We get this formation here. Now we get this cup. We get this strong breakout here, hitting all-time highs here on Friday on the market. One thing I want to see is more volume coming in here. So you see we're pushing to highs here, but we aren't getting that strength and volume accumulation that I would like to see to the upside here. So I am still waiting on volume. We need volume to confirm this breakout here with that support here at this 365 region. If we go out on the daily chart here, look, you can see we finally gap through. We push through this 365 level here, 365.17. We get these consolidation candles here from 12.1 to 12.3. Boom, we finally get that breakout here. What will confirm this breakout here? If we get volume to the upside here, we need clear, concise volume on this breakout here, not this low volume that we're seeing here pushing to highs here. Again, you can see the volume that we've seen back in March on this drop here. We even get some more volume here on 9.3 and also over here on this day here at 11.9. Now we're pushing highs here without any volume. So again, the key thing to wait here for a confirmation of a breakout and new base formation at 365 is going to be volume on this move here. We can't just have this move without volume to get a clear conviction buy signal above this 365 price point. So back to the weekly chart here. Again, nice cup formation here, either on this weekly, likely to retest either 365.17 or make higher highs breakout, ideally with volume on that daily or weekly over 369.85 would be key here. Live update on futures, we're about break even here. We did get this gap up to 37.05. Now we're retracing here, about break even here on futures. So not much going into overnight here yet on futures, but should be something to watch here in the coming day. Again, really the biggest thing that we need to watch here is going to be volume into the coming week here. So for the first play that we're watching here is going to be Qualcomm. Really liking this setup here on Qualcomm. However, again, as we mentioned on the market too, and on a lot of these stocks that we're mentioning here today, we need more volume to wait for these confirmations here. But liking this technical setup here, again, you can see we're pushing to highs here. Not the volume we'd like to see, but we're finally breaking this gap up here that we saw on the week of 11-2. We get this consolidation here. Now we're trying to form that new uptrend here that started back on 323. So if we go to the daily, again, we get this push up here on 12.1 with some volume. We get this consolidation, which is good in an uptrend here. Now, boom, we get this gap up here. If you guys are looking for that base support that's provided from this gap up here, we do have that support provided below at 142.52. Let's see how we are going into this week. We do have that support also provided at 153.50. So let's see if we can get a breakout here with 158.09 above this price level here at 151. Boom, let's see if we can hit 158.09 above that with volume, and again we have that support here provided below at 153.34. Let's go to the weekly chart again here. This is really what I'm liking here on Qualcomm. It looks like it's trying to set up here for another run here after that gap up consolidation. Then we get the strength gap here. Keep in mind we do have earnings, but earnings aren't for a few months now. This is the weekly chart. So again, back to the daily. Really liking this consolidation breakout here with some volume. Let's see if we can get more volume like we had here post earnings at 11.5, but liking this new base formation with that strongest support at 142.52. The second play here is going to be DOCU. DOCU, another one that's trying to break out here. Really what we're waiting for on this one is going to be that strength move above 246.07 here. We get this volume that we wanted to see after this earnings gap up here. Now let's see if we can confirm over this 246.07 level here. We get that volume breaking this level here. Let's see if we can hit that level here. We got rejected here on 10.14 before retest lows here, and we also got rejected here on 11.4. So let's see if we can gap through here, break through with volume volume above this price level with that potential to see that 290.23 level here, which we saw an earnings gap up here from 9.2. So again, watching this, confirmation will be strength and strong price action above 246.07 for a breakout in the coming week for ticker symbol DOCU. The third play here is going to be ROKU. ROKU, another one we're still waiting on volume here, but I'm liking this cup formation. So we get this gap up here on 11.23. We like to see consolidation gaps. Then we get consolidation here on this uptrend here at 11.30. Now, boom, we're trying to break out to highs here if we go out on the weekly chart. Again, you can see these constant higher highs here. What are we waiting for on ROKU? We are waiting for volume here, preferably above that 298.13 level here for a confirmation of that breakout here. We have support below at 294, and then we keep gapping through here at 296.43. Let's see if we can break above 298.13 here for a further upside, or ideally retest here with the consolidation candle in this uptrend here on 293.90. We'll be watching the daily close here on ROKU. See if we can get some more volume here. We got that volume back on 11.17. We also got that volume here on 11.6. However, as you guys can see, volume fading here. We need volume to come back into this for ROKU to make another leg higher here in this coming week. Last play, one I've been watching for a long time. Tesla finally trying to break that $5.99 price point. Again, you can see we did break it here. After close, we're failing to break out here. But once we do break out here, $598.91, watching this daily here with that next level at $607.80, and then all-time highs above that. We get this consolidation base, new uptrend. Now let's see if we can make higher highs over $607.80 here on Tesla. This will be more of an intraday play here, but we do need some more volume here. Again, you can see those sellers coming in with volume on 11.30 from 607, gap down here. Now let's see if we can break and make higher highs here. We'll be watching this one intraday if we can get strength above 607.80, and then a further push to the upside here on Tesla. Going out to the weekly chart, again, you can see these higher highs here. Watching this hammer formation here could be a potential reversal, but let's see if we can get strength here above 607.80 with volume. Again, we aren't seeing the volume that we typically see in Tesla, so let's see if we can get that volume for that clear conviction breakout with that potential to run to all-time highs here. Again, this will be one to watch here intraday above 607.80. If we go back to the daily chart here, we do have that support provided below double bottom at 584.34. Again, key is going to be 599 tomorrow, and then 607.80 for breakout to the upside. Don't just wait for the breakout of that level. Wait for volume and strength above that level to play it. It will be a play of ours that we are going to be watching here within the coming week. That being said, that wraps up our 4 plays of the week. If you guys have any that you're watching, please feel free to leave them down below, as we always do enjoy seeing what you guys are seeing. If you guys could, please like and subscribe to the channel. It would be greatly appreciated. Hope you guys have a great week. Thank you.